Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Mon, the trusted real estate broker. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Uptown Modern. I'm gonna show you the one-bedroom unit po here in Uptown Modern in Bonifacio Global City. Okay? Panoorin niyo po ito. Okay, this is the one-bedroom unit here in Uptown Modern. One-bedroom unit, 52 square meters. Okay, this is the entrance. Pagpasok po nila, kikita nyo yung toilet and bath with laundry. Then kitchen, and then dining area, living area, and living area, and then you have the balcony, and may balcony siya. This is the bedroom. Yung bedroom niya. And then yung cabinet. Kasama na sa turnover yung cabinet. And then yung toilet and bath. Tapos may access doon sa kitchen or sa living area. Okay, this is the the studio unit here in Uptown Modern. So pagpasok nila, makikita nyo yung toilet and bath. Toilet and bath, and then kitchen. And then yun, living area. Living area and dining area. Okay. And then yung bedroom. This is the bedroom. Yan, ito yung studio unit. Pero may balcony pa yan dyan. Right, if gusto nyo mag-inquire for a one-bedroom unit, two-bedroom units, or studio unit here in Uptown Modern, dito sa Bonifacio Global City, call me at my mobile number po. You can reach me through Viber, WhatsApp, even to my email address. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.